My name is Victoria Wakeman. I am from here in Brookings. I am a store owner. I own My Generation downtown here in Brookings. And I'm also a childbirth educator and doula. We have 7 children. Our oldest is Alex, and he's 14. And then it's Ava, who's 12. Harrison is 9. Camille, 6. Josie is 3. Helena is 2. And Raquel is our newest. She's 2.5 weeks old. Well, our first 6 were in Sioux Falls at 2 different hospitals there. And so that's the experience that we known, and we really went for the midwifery model of care with those. And so when Raquel happened, it was a completely different surprise situation for us. The reason that I've chosen midwifery model of care is because of the natural tendencies. They tend to go for the least invasive. And if they need that medical help, it's there. And, you know, God willing, you know, if something were to happen, they'd be ready to go. But the great thing is that's not their first choice. They tend to spend more time with the patients, give you a little more attention, get to know you, but definitely tend to use the natural side of things, which is what we really like. We had Raquel at Brookings Health System because it was a total surprise, and that's the kind of the fun part about how we discovered Brookings Health System as far as for our own deliveries is we were headed to Sioux Falls just like our other 6, and I realized that this labor was going to be way faster than the other 6. I had hours to prepare with them, not so much with Raquel. Her total experience was 45 minutes from start to finish. So we turned around on the interstate and headed to the Brookings Hospital as quickly as we could, hazards flashing, and thank goodness we got to the delivery room in time before she was born, minutes after arriving. So it was quite a surprise for us. It was, like I said, a very fast surprise. So I walked into the ER and I was in between contractions, thank goodness. And I said, here's my story, here's what's going on. This is our 7th child and I'm about to deliver. And she said, we're gonna get you upstairs right away. And they sure did. And so we got up there and my husband came chasing us down the hallway as fast as he could. And we got into the room and within minutes she was delivered. But in that short time span in between, the nurses came in, made me feel so comfortable, and you could just tell that they were calm and peaceful, that they didn't feel, you know, any sort of panic. They, you know, so that peacefulness came across the whole room, and that's exactly what we were hoping for. We wanted that peace and calm, and she came out in a very calm and peaceful way, though very quickly, and so we're very, very happy. Our doctor was Dr. Gunvaken, and he was amazing. He was so patient and peaceful in his care, and everything that we could have hoped for in the delivery for Sioux Falls, he just automatically did. He was a natural midwife for us. So he definitely, it was a pleasant surprise, and we were very happy with him. Coming in, we definitely wanted those natural options and natural childbirth and as natural parenting as possible in the hospital. And Dr. Gunvaken and the nurses completely supported us in all our choices, and definitely were just more gentle with everything, just the way that we would have wanted anywhere we delivered. And we were very pleasantly and happily surprised by the results in, you know, just being heard. We really felt that we were heard, and that's what made it so great. Absolutely 100%, I would recommend it to anyone that's going to have a baby, because I felt like, you know, after all these years of being so protective of the style of care that I wanted and thinking that I could only come close to it in certain ways, but to be able to find the care that I'd really been searching for, and it was basically in my backyard. And to find that after all these years was just such a pleasant surprise, and it was almost like having a home experience in the hospital. We were kind of left in the room just to be together, but if we needed that help, they were right there always. but we got to be a family, and that was really a great thing. So yes, absolutely, to anyone out there who is thinking about having a baby, who's going to have a baby, who even years down the road is thinking about it still, I would absolutely say Brookings Health System is the best way to go if you want to be heard and taken care of and have that mother and baby friendly environment. Absolutely.